Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Black. Good morning. It is Thursday, May 7th. Today we have a Zoom meeting at 2 o'clock. We also have today some science. It will not be at the top of the Moodle page. It will be under the science section under May 7th. Let's talk about what we're going to be doing today. Sixes, you are going to be going over your fairy tales and checking for all the elements that Mr. Abel had asked you to work on. Okay, and then you also have some pages in your reader's notebook to work on, and you're also continuing to work on 2D shapes. Sevens, you have handwriting. You get to watch a video about onomatopoeia, a special kind of poetry that has to do with sounds like pow, wham, and things like that. After you watch the video, you're going to actually write your own poem. You have some A to Z to work on, and then you're going to continue to work on multiplication with arrays. I hope you all have a great day of learning. Don't forget Zoom at 2 p.m. and don't forget that you have science, because on Friday we are going to do something at our Zoom meeting that has to do with our science and also a science experiment. So have a great day of learning. Bye.